Hey everyone, and happy Valentine's Day! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. In today's video, I will be doing Valentine's Day decor on my dining room table and doing a few DIY wreaths, so make sure you watch until the end so you can see my finished decor around the house. I'm hoping this gives you motivation if you need some last minute ideas, or if you have already decorated, hopefully this will at least brighten your day. If you get value from this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Your touch sends chills down my spine. Alright,
So the table decorations that I already had out were kind of like remnants from Christmas, so it was kind of like winter. So I was trying to do kind of a subtle transformation of this table to make it look really pretty. We're gonna have a little Valentine's gathering, so I wanted to really make it super festive and pretty for them.
found an angel. Ooh, baby, people would travel far and wide.
So what I decided to do was to go and get these chargers from Michael's. I thought they were really pretty, and they could also double as spring chargers, so I may not have to switch these out as fast.
Wherever we go, I'm on cloud.
And I'm just decorating with some cut glass that I actually got from Dollar Tree years ago.
Take me away.
I'm going to be using the exact same napkins that I used for Christmas. However, I'm going to fold them differently. I'm going to fold them in the shape of a heart. And I'm also using some LED candles that are kind of battery operated, safe for the kids. And I got those in an after Christmas sale. So they were like 75% off, but at Michael's. I'm going to also be using those this upcoming Christmas. So now I'm tying the sashes on the chairs because I thought that would add an extra pop of color since my table is like a darker brown. The girls actually wound up really loving the sashes because it gave an extra touch of elegance, they said.
I found an angel. I found my angel. Am I your eyes? Oh, I found my angel. I found an angel.
So this is where I started to fold the napkins like a heart. I thought it would be really cute since, I don't know, I thought the girls would get a kick out of it.
Yesterday I lost the battle, trying at all costs, oh, to keep you, baby. Oh, to keep you, baby. Do-do-do. Now I hurt so bad. All I feel is sad that
So I tried to put the fork and the knife to the side, like to kind of look like the little arrow that's coming out of the heart. I don't know, I think I was just kind of doing the most.
calling out your name as you.
And this is what it looks like when the lights are kind of dim. I thought that was really cute. So now I'm doing a DIY wreath. I didn't really want to spend a lot of money on a wreath, especially when I'm going to turn right back around and do one for the spring. I was going to use the exact same wreath for Valentine's as spring, but then I changed my mind and was like, no, I want some, pastels and things, I think, for the spring. So because of that, I chose to use a Dollar Tree wreath form, and then I'm also using a lot of flowers that either came from Dollar Tree or from Walmart. I'm hot gluing them to the mesh that I wrapped around the wreath form.
Tomorrow is another day. So sit around and waste without you, baby. Oh, without you, baby.
And here I'm just kind of inserting some little hearts to just kind of add in that Valentine's Day flair.
Won't you come back, love me, hold me, need me, like the way you used to do, when it was just me and you. Don't go, I need you, I'll never mislead you. Give this love another chance. Take my hand and let me have this dance.
I'm doing these outside of my daughter's rooms. These, I just kind of took the little Dollar Tree wreath that they already had, and then I wanted to put some of the foam hearts that I also got from Dollar Tree on it. And then I just hot glued that. And then I got the little love signs also from Dollar Tree. So it's like $3 for these. And here's the tour.
Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours. If you let go, boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time is a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Go ahead.
I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I do many videos just like this where I do home decor and a lot of cleaning, organization, decluttering. You don't want to miss some of the upcoming videos and projects that I have been working on. Makeovers, all kinds of things with the rooms. So if that interests you, please like, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you again soon.
Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm